Hello friends, in my previous video I had completed all these practice set, that is a 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5. You will get the link of all these video if we click the I button of this video. Now in this video I will explain all examples from the practice set 3.6. Now let us start. In previous classes we have learned how to find the factors of polynomials. Let's revise it with some examples. Now see here, factorize 4x square minus 25. Now here 4x square is a square of 2x bracket square and 25 is a square of 5 square. Now we'll factorize this by using the formula a square minus b square is equals to, in first bracket, a plus b, in second bracket, a minus b. Similarly, in this case, in first bracket there will be the 2x plus 5 and in second bracket 2x minus 5. See this here. Okay. Now these are the factors of 4x square minus 25. Next, 3x square plus 7x plus 2. Now to factorize this, first we will multiply the first term and the last term. First term is a 3x square into 2. Then you will get 6x square. What about the middle term? Middle term is here 7x. Now we will find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a 7x and the product is a 6x square. Therefore, there are the two numbers 6x and x. If you add them, then you will get here 7x, which is the middle term. And if we take the product of these two numbers, that is a 6x into x, then you will get here 6x square. And hence here we will write here 3x square plus 7x plus 2. This 7x can be written as 6x plus x, and the other terms are as it is. Now from these first two terms we will take 3x as a common. Then in bracket you will get here x plus 2, and from the next two terms we take here 1 as a common, and then in bracket you will get here x plus 2. Now from these two terms again we will take x plus 2 as a common. Then what are the remaining terms? 3x plus 1. Okay, and therefore the factors of 3x square plus 7x plus 2 are, in first bracket, x plus 2, in second bracket 3x plus 1. Okay. Now next, example number 3, 63x square plus 5x minus 2. Okay, now see this here. Again we will find out the two numbers such that whose product is the product of first term and last term. 63x square into minus 2, then you will get minus 126x square. What about the middle term? Middle term is here 5x. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a 5x and the product is a minus 126x square. And hence there are the two numbers, that is a plus 14x and minus 9x, whose sum is a plus 5x and their product is a minus 126x square. And hence here we will replace here 5x by 14x minus 9x. Their sum is a plus 5x and the product is a minus 126x square. That is a product of first and the last term. Okay. Now next, common from these two brackets, we will take here x as a common, and another term 14 can be written as 2 into 7 and 63 can be written as 7 into 9. Therefore, from these two terms we take 7x as a common. Then in bracket you will get here 9x plus 2. From these two terms we take only the negative sign as a common. When we take the negative sign common, the sign of the remaining terms in the bracket will change. Minus will become plus, and therefore in bracket you will get here 9x plus 2. Let's remember that here in first bracket you are getting 9x plus 2 and here is also 9x plus 2. Then your factors are correct. Now from these two terms again you can take 9x plus 2 as a common. Then what are the remaining terms? 7x and here is a minus 1. Therefore in second bracket you can write here 7x minus 1. And these are the factors of 63x square plus 5x minus 2. Now next, 6x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay. Now see this here. The product of first term and last term is a minus 36x square. And what about the middle term? Middle term is a minus 5x. Now find out the two numbers such that whose product is a minus 36x square and their sum is a minus 5x, and hence there are the two numbers, that is a minus 9x and plus 4x. If we add it, then you will get here minus 5x, and if we take their product, then you will get here minus 36x square. And therefore we write here, instead of minus 5x minus 9x plus 4x, take common 3x as a common from these two terms. Then in bracket you will get here 2x minus 3. From the next bracket, take 2 as a common. Then in bracket you will get here 2x minus 3. Take 2x minus 3 as a common, and the remaining terms, that is the 3x plus 2, in next bracket. And these are the factors of 6x square minus 5x minus 6. Okay. Now next, some polynomials can be written in the form ax square plus bx plus c, and hence it is easy to find its factors. Now see this here. Now factorize this, that is a in bracket y square minus 3y bracket square minus 5 in bracket y square minus 3y bracket complete minus 50. Now observe here that a y square minus 3y and here is a y square minus 3y. These two terms are repeated here. Okay, and hence here we substitute here that a y square minus 3y is equals to x. Then this equation will be simplified in this form. That is, first here y square minus 3y bracket square means what here x square. Next minus 5y minus 50. Now we'll factorize this first. That is the x square minus 5x minus 50. Now the product of first term and last term, that is x square into minus 50, is a minus 50x square. What about the middle term? Middle term is a minus 5x. Now find out the two numbers. This is the minus 5x. Find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 5x and the product is a minus 50x square. And hence there are the two numbers, that is a minus 10x and plus 5x, whose algebraic sum is a minus 5x and their product is a minus 50x square. And hence we will replace here minus 5x by minus 10x and plus 5x. See this here. Therefore x square, next minus 5x can be written as minus 10x plus 5x minus 50. Okay. Now again next, from these first two terms we will take x as a common, and from these two terms we take only the 5 as a common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 10, here x minus 10. Again from these two terms take x minus 10 as a common. Then in next bracket you will get here the remaining terms, that is x plus 5. Okay. Now replace x by y square minus 3y. Okay. Now here you will get here, replace this x by y square minus 3y. Then you will get here y square minus 3y minus 10. Again replace here this x by y square minus 3y plus 5. Okay. Now next, factorize this y square minus 3y minus 10. The product of first term and last term is a minus 10y square. Middle term is a minus 3y. There are the two numbers, that is a minus 5y plus 2y, whose sum is a minus 3y and the product is a minus 10y square. And hence we'll replace here minus 3y by minus 5y plus 2y minus 10. Now take the common from these two as a y and from these two plus 2. Okay, now see this here, y in bracket, take the common y, then in bracket you will get here y in bracket y minus 5. From these two terms take 2 as a common, then in bracket you will get here y minus 5. And the next, y square minus 3y plus 5. We cannot factorize this and therefore keep it as it is. Okay. Now again y minus 5, take y minus 5 as a common, and then in next bracket you will get here y plus 2. Okay. And the last remaining term, that is y square minus 3y plus 5. and hence the factors of y square minus 3y bracket square minus 5u in bracket y square minus 3y bracket complete minus 50 are in first bracket y minus 5 into second bracket y plus 2 into in third bracket y square minus 3y plus 5. Okay. Now next, again factorize here. In first bracket x plus 2 into second bracket x minus 3 into third bracket x minus 7 into fourth bracket x minus 2 plus 64. Now here the solution. Okay. Now the product of this x plus 2 and x minus 7. Next we'll select the x minus 3 and the x minus 2. Now the product of specific product of these two bracket. Then what you will get here? First x square, then x into minus 7, that is minus 7x, plus 2 into x, plus 2x, minus 7x plus 2x, then you will get here minus 5x, plus 2 into minus 7, minus 14. And the product of these two bracket again, x square, next x into minus 2, you will get here minus 2x, and minus 3 into x, you will get here minus 5x. Okay, and the last, that is minus 3 into minus 2, you will get here plus 6. Here we are selecting the bracket, that is x plus 2 into x minus 7, so that we are getting this first term x square minus 5x, x square minus 5x as a common in these two brackets. Okay. Next, we substitute here x square minus 5x by m. Then this expression will become like this: x square minus 5x as a m minus 14. In the next bracket, m plus 6, and the last plus 64. Okay. Now the product of these two terms, that m into m square, m into 6 plus 6m, minus 14 into m, minus 14m, minus 14 into 6. Then here you will get here minus 84 plus 64, and the next simplification, m square minus 14m plus 6m, you will get here minus 8m, minus 84 plus 64, you will get minus 20. Now factorize this. Again see this here. The product of first and last term is a minus 20m square. Middle term is a minus 8m. Again find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 8m and the product is a minus 20m square. Now see this here. There are the two numbers, that is minus 10m plus 2m. Their sum is a minus 8m and the product is a minus 20m square. Therefore here we write here, instead of minus 8m, we write here minus 10m plus 2m. Other terms, that is m square minus 20 as it is. Now take common from first these two terms. What is a common? M is common. Then in bracket you will get here m minus 10. From these two terms we cannot take m as a common. We take only the number, that is a 2m. 20 can be written as 2 into 10. Take the 2 as a common. Then in bracket you will get here m minus 10, bracket complete, is equals to 0. M minus 10 common. Then in remaining terms in the next bracket, that is m plus 2, and that's equals to 0. And hence the factors are in first bracket m minus 10 into second bracket m plus 2. Now replace the value of this m. What is the value of m? M is x square minus 5x. Okay, replace here x square minus 5x minus 10. Again we can factorize this. Can we factorize? Okay, x square minus 5x and minus 10 and x square minus 5x and plus 2. We cannot factorize it, and hence we keep it as it is. Now let us start the practice set 3.6. First question, find the factors of the polynomial given below. 2x square plus x minus 1. Now the solution, 2x square plus x minus 1, 2x square plus x minus 1. Now product of first term and last term is a, that is a 2x square into minus 1 is a minus 2x square. Middle term is x. Okay. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is x and the product is a minus 2x square. Therefore, the factors are 2x minus x. 2x minus x is x. 2x into minus x is a minus 2x square. And hence here we write 2x square. X is replaced by 2x minus 1 minus 1. Now the common from first two terms, that is a 2x is a common. Then in bracket x plus 1. From these two terms take minus 1 as a common. Then in bracket x plus 1. Again take x plus 1 common from these two terms. Then in bracket you will get here, next bracket you will get here 2x minus 1. Okay. And therefore the factors of 2x square plus x minus 1 are in first bracket x plus 1, second bracket 2x minus 1. Next 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Again here the product of first term and the last term, that is a 2m square, and the minus 3 is a minus 6m square, and the middle term is a plus 5m. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a plus 5m and the product is a minus 6m square. Now there are the two numbers, that is a 6m and minus m. Their sum is a plus 5m and the product is a minus 6m square. Therefore we can write 2m square, 5m can be written as 6m minus 3. Now the common from these first two terms, that is a 2m. Then in bracket you will get here again m plus 3. From the next two terms, we'll take only the minus 1 as a common. Then in bracket you will get here m plus 3. Again the common from these two terms, m plus 3 is a common. Then the remaining terms are 2m minus 1. These are the factors. Therefore, the factors of 2m square plus 5m minus 3 are m plus 3 in first bracket, second bracket 2m minus 1. Now next 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Again here the product of first term and the last term is a, that is a 12 into 77. Okay, and here the product of 12 into 77 can be written as 12 means what? 4 into 3. 77 can be written as 11 into 7. Again, this term can be written as 4 into 7 means what? 28. 3 into 11 means what? 33. And hence, these are the two numbers, that is a 28 and 33, such that their sum is a 61 and the product is a 12 into 77. Therefore, 61 is replaced by 28x plus 33. Keep other term as it is, that is a 12x square plus 28x plus 33x plus 77. Now common from these two. Okay, first x will be the common. Next, this 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 28 can be written as 4 into 7. And therefore, overall, 4x is a common from these two terms. Then in bracket, you will get here 3x plus 7. From these two terms, again, we cannot take x as a common because here is only 77. 33 can be written as 11 into 3. 77 can be written as 11 into 7. Therefore, take 11 as a common. Then in bracket, you will get here 3x plus 7. Now again from these two terms, 3x plus 7 as a common. Then the remaining terms, that is a 4x plus 11 in another bracket. Okay. Now these are the factors of 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Next, 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Now the product of 3y square minus 1. Okay, the product of 3y square minus 1 is a minus 3y square and the middle term is a minus 2y. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 2y and the product is a minus 3y square. Therefore, there are the two numbers, that is a minus 3y and plus y. Their algebraic sum is a minus 2y and their product minus 3y into y. Then you will get here minus 3y square. Okay, the condition is satisfied. Therefore, we replace here minus 2y by minus 3y and plus y. See this here. 3y square. This minus 2y is replaced by minus 3y and plus y. Minus 3y plus y. Next, from these two terms, take 3y as a common. Then in bracket you will get here y minus 1. And from these two bracket, take 1 as common. Then in bracket we can write here y minus 1. Again take y minus 1 common from these two terms. Then in next bracket you will get the remaining terms, that is the 3y plus 1. Okay. And therefore the factors of 3y square minus 2y minus 1 are in first bracket y minus 1, in second bracket 3y plus 1. Next, root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3. Now the solution. The product of first term and last term, that is the root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay. What about the middle term? Middle term is 4x. Now find the two numbers such that their sum is 4 and the product is 3. Therefore 3 and 1. These are the two numbers. Their sum 3 plus 1 is 4 and their product 3 into 1 is 3. But these 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. And hence we replace here this 4x by 3x plus x and other terms as it is. Now from first two terms we take here root 3 as a common, because this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. If we take root 3 common from these two terms, then in bracket you will get here root 3 instead of these 3. Okay, therefore this is important. This 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. And hence if we take root 3x common from these two terms, then in bracket you will get here x plus root 3. Next, x plus root 3. From these two bracket we cannot take common, therefore we take only 1 as a common. That is, this x can be written as 1 into x, root 3 can be written as root 3 into 1. Therefore take 1 as a common, then in bracket you will get here x plus root 3. Again, from these two terms you can take x plus root 3 as a common, and then the remaining terms, that is the root 3x plus 1 in the next bracket. Therefore, the factors of root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3 are in first bracket x plus root 3 into in second bracket root 3x plus 1. Okay. Now next, 1 upon 2 x square minus 3x plus 4. 1 upon 2 x square minus 3x plus 4. Here we'll take here 1 upon 2 as a common. If we take 1 upon 2 as common, then in bracket you will get here x square minus 6x plus 8. And if you multiply this 1 upon 2, 2x square minus 6x plus 8, then you will get our equation again. 1 upon 2x square minus 3x plus 4. Therefore, now we'll factorize this x square minus 6x plus 8. The product of first term and the last term, that x square into 8 is 8x square. Middle term is a minus 6x. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 6x and the product is a 8x square. Therefore, the required numbers are minus 4x and minus 2x. Therefore, here again minus 6x is replaced by minus 4x minus 2x. The remaining numbers are as it is, that is x square and plus 8. Keep it as it is. Now the common from x square minus 4x. The common from x square minus 4 is a x. Common from minus 2x plus 8 is a minus 2. Okay. Now in the next bracket, again keep this 1 upon 2 as it is. X minus 4 is a common. The remaining terms are x minus 2 in the next bracket. Therefore, these are the factors, that is the 1 upon 2 in bracket x minus 4 into x minus 2. Or this can be simplified in this manner also. See this here. 1 upon 2 x square minus 3x plus 4. Again here the product of 1 upon 2 x square and the 4 is a 1 upon 2x square into 4, then you will get here 2x square. Middle term is a minus 3x. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 3x and the product is a 2x square. Therefore, replace this minus 3x by minus 2x minus x, so that their sum is a minus 3x and product is a 2x square. Now common from these first two term, that is 1 upon 2x, then in bracket you will get here x minus 4. Again common from these two terms, take minus 1 is common, then in bracket you will get here x minus 4. Again take x minus 4 as a common, then the remaining terms 1 upon 2x minus 1 in the next bracket, and hence these are the factors. Okay. Now next, factorize the following polynomials. First, x square minus x bracket square minus 8 in next bracket x square minus x plus 12. Again x square minus x square minus x, these are the common terms. Therefore, here we will substitute m for x square minus x. Therefore, our expression will become, that is a m square, that is x square minus x bracket square means what, m square minus 8m plus 12. Now again the product of first term and the last term, that is m square into 12, you will get here 12m square, middle term is a minus 8m. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 8m and the product is a 12m square. Therefore there are the two numbers, that is a minus 6m minus 2m. Their sum is a minus 8m and the product of the minus 6m plus 2m is a 12m square, and hence replace this minus 8m by minus 6m and minus 2m and the m square plus 12 as it is. Now take common from these first two terms, that is m is a common, then in bracket you will get here m minus 2. Common from these two terms, that is a minus 6 will be the common, then in bracket 12 can be written as 2 into 6. If we take 6 as common, then in bracket you will get here m minus 2. Therefore here is m minus 2, m minus 2. Again take m minus 2 as a common. Then in bracket you will get here, next bracket you will get here m minus 6. Now replace the value of m. What is m? X square minus x square minus x minus 2. And next x square minus x and this minus 6. This is a minus 2. Okay. Replace only m by x square minus x. Okay. Now factorize these two terms again. X square minus x minus 2. Okay. And next bracket x square minus x and minus 6. Now the factors of x square minus x minus 2. See this here. The product of x square and minus 2 is a minus 2x square. Middle term is a minus x. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus x and the product is a minus 2x square. Therefore, the required numbers are minus 2x and plus x. Okay. For the next, the product of first term and last term is a minus 6x square. Middle term is a minus x. Now there are the two numbers, that is a minus 3x and plus 2x, such that whose sum is a minus x and their product is a minus 6x square. And hence here we replace this minus x by minus 2x and plus x, and this minus x by minus 3x and plus 2x. Again take the common from the x square minus 2x. Then what is the common? That is x is common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 2. From the next two terms, take 1 as common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 2. From the next, these two terms, take x as common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 2. From the next two terms, take 2 as a common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 3. Again, from this square bracket, take x minus 2 as a common. The remaining terms in the next bracket, that is a x plus 1. Again see this next square bracket, x minus 3 as a common, and the remaining terms, that is a x plus 2 in the next bracket, and hence the factors are in first bracket x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 3 and x plus 2. Okay. Next, x minus 5 bracket square minus 5x minus 25 bracket complete, minus 24. Now observe this expression. In first bracket x minus 5 bracket square, from these two terms we will take x as a common, then you will get in bracket x minus 5 and lastly minus 24. Okay, see this here again, x minus 5 bracket square, take 5 as a common, then in bracket you will get here x minus 5 minus 24. Again replace this x minus 5 by m, then you will get here m square minus 5m minus 24. Again the product of first term and last term, m square into minus 24. Then you will get here minus 24m square. Middle term is a minus 5m. Now find out again the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 5m and the product is a minus 24m square. Therefore the required numbers are minus 8m plus 3m. Okay. Therefore we replace here minus 5m by minus 8m plus 3m. Okay. And the other terms are as it is, m square and minus 24 is as it is. Now take common from these two terms as a m. Then in bracket you will get here m minus 8. From 3m minus 24, take 3 as a common. Okay. Again take m minus 8 common. Then the remaining terms, that is m plus 3 in the next bracket. Okay. Therefore the factors are m minus 8 into m plus 3. Now again replace here m by x minus 5. M is replaced by x minus 5. M is replaced by x minus 5. Then simplify only. That is a minus 5, minus 8, minus 13. Therefore, x minus 13 in first bracket. In second bracket, minus 5 plus 3, you will get here minus 2. That is in second bracket, you will get here x minus 2. And hence, these are the factors. Now next, x square minus 6x bracket square minus 8. In next bracket, x square minus 6x plus 8 bracket complete minus 64. If you observe this polynomial, that is here x square minus 6x and here is a x square minus 6x is repeated term here. Okay, therefore we will replace here x square minus 6x by another variable and then we will factorize this. See this here. That is, we will replace here x square minus 6x by m. Therefore, x square minus 6x means what? M, it's a bracket square. Therefore, it is x square minus 6x is replaced by m and hence it become m square. Minus 8, again x square minus 6x is replaced by m. Then in bracket you will get here m plus 8 and minus 64 as it is. Next simplify it. That is the m square minus 8m minus 64 minus 64. M square minus 8m minus 64 minus 64, you will get here minus 128. Now the factors. The product of first term and the last term is a minus 128m square. Middle term is a minus 8m. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 8m and the product is a minus 128m square. Then what are the two numbers? ते numbers दोन कोणते आहेत तर minus 16m and plus 8m. Their algebraic sum is a minus 8m and their product is a minus 128m square. Therefore, here we will replace here minus 8m by minus 16m plus 8m. See this here. The factors are then m minus 16 in first bracket, in second bracket m plus 8. Okay. Now again replace m by x square minus 6x. Okay. Then you will get here x square minus 6x minus 16 in first bracket and in second bracket x square minus 6x plus 8. Again, can we factorize this? Yes. In first bracket, the product of first term and the last term is a minus 16x square. Here is a minus 16x square. Middle term is a minus 6x is here. Now again, find out the two number. Find the two number such that whose sum is a minus 6x and product is a minus 16x square. Therefore, there are the two numbers, that is a minus 8x and plus 2x, whose sum is a minus 6x and product is a minus 16x square. Okay. For the next expression, x square minus 6x plus 8. The product of first and last is 8x square. Middle is minus 6x. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 6x and the product is a 8x square. The numbers are minus 4x, minus 2x. Okay, now here we'll replace here minus 6x by minus 8x plus 2x. And here again minus 6x is replaced by minus 4x minus 2x. Now take the common from these two, that is x is common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 8. Take 2 as a common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 8. From these two terms x as common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 4. Again from these two terms take minus 2 as a common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 4. Now consider the first square bracket. From these two we take x minus 8 as a common and the remaining in the next bracket, that is x plus 2 in the next bracket. Again from the next square bracket take x minus 4 as a common and the remaining terms, that is x minus 2 in the next bracket. Okay, and hence these are the required factors. Okay, x minus 8, x plus 2, x minus 4 and x minus 2. Okay, now next. In first bracket x square minus 2x plus 3 into second bracket x square minus 2x plus 5 bracket complete minus 35. Again if we observe this expression polynomial, that is x square minus 2x, here is x square minus 2x is a common, therefore we substitute here x square minus 2x by another variable. Now see this here, that you replace this x square minus 2x by m, therefore you will get here m plus 3, x square minus 2x is replaced by again m plus 5 minus 35. Now the product of these two bracket, that is m into m plus 5 plus 3 into m plus 5 minus 35. The product of m into in bracket m plus 5 is a m square plus 5m and the product of 3 into in bracket m plus 5 is a 3m plus 15 minus 35. Now next m square 5m plus 3m you will get 8m plus 15 minus 35 you will get minus 20. Now we will factorize this. The product of first term and the last term is a minus 20m square. Middle term is a 8m. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a plus 8m and the product is a minus 20m square. Therefore there are the two numbers, that is a plus 10m minus 2m. Okay. Now the common from first these two terms, m is a common. Then in bracket you will get here m plus 10 and the common from next two terms, that is minus 2. Then in bracket you will get here m plus 10. Again m plus 10 common from these two and the remaining terms in the next bracket, that is m minus 2. Okay. Next again replace m by x square minus 2x. Okay. That is x square minus 2x plus 10 in the first bracket and in the second bracket x square minus 2x minus 2. Now next, can we factorize this x square minus 2x plus 10 and x square minus 2x minus 2? We cannot factorize, keep it as it is, and these are the required factors. Now next, in first bracket y plus 2 into second bracket y minus 3 into third bracket y plus 8 into fourth bracket y plus 3 plus 56. Now here again we want to select the two brackets such that their product will have the common terms. Again by using the trial and error method, here we'll take here y plus 2 into y plus 3 first and the next y minus 3 into y plus 8. Now see this here. If we multiply y plus 2 into y plus 3 and the next y minus 3 into y plus 8, then you will get here their product, that is y into y plus 3 plus 2 into y plus 3. Next y into y plus 8 minus 3 into y plus 8 and plus 56. Now the product y into y square plus 3y plus 2y plus 6. Next y square plus 8y minus 3y minus 24 in the next bracket plus 56. And if we simplify here, then in first bracket you will get here y square plus 5y plus 6. In the next bracket you will get here y square plus 5y minus 24 bracket complete plus 56. Now if we observe here y square plus 5y is a common for these two bracket, and hence we will replace here another variable. Okay, that is y square plus 5y is replaced by x. Then you will get here, if we replace y square plus 5y by x, then in first bracket you will get here x plus 6. In the next bracket you will get here x minus 24 plus 56. Now again the product of these two bracket, that is x into x minus 24 plus 6 into x minus 24 plus 56. Then x square minus 24x plus 6x minus 144 plus 56. Okay, and then x square minus 18x minus 144 plus 56, you will get here minus 88. Okay, now factors this. Again the product of first term and the last term. The x square into minus 88, you will get here minus 88x square. Next, the middle term is a minus 18x. Now find out the two numbers such that the product of the numbers are minus 88x square and their sum is a minus 18x. The required numbers are minus 22x and plus 4x. Okay. Now see this here. X square minus 22x plus 4x minus 88. Okay. And next, take x as common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 22. From these two, take 4 as a common. Then in bracket you will get here x minus 22. Again take x minus 22 as common. Then in next bracket you will get here x plus 4. Replace x by y square plus 5y. X by y square plus 5y. Okay. Now next, we cannot factorize y square plus 5y minus 22. But we can factorize this y square plus 5y plus 4. The product of first and last term is a 4. Now find out the two numbers such that whose sum is a 5y and the product is 4y square. The required number is a 4y plus y. Therefore 5y is replaced by 4y plus y. Take y as a common. From this 1 as a common. Then keep this first bracket as it is. If you take y as a common, then in next bracket you will get here y plus 4. Take 1 as a common from these two terms. Then in bracket you will get here y plus 4. Take y plus 4 as a common. Then the remaining terms, that is y plus 1 in the next bracket. And hence these are the required factors, that is y square plus 5y minus 22 into in next bracket y plus 4 into next bracket y plus 1. Okay. And these are the required factors. Now next, example. In first bracket y square plus 5y into second bracket y square plus 5y bracket minus 2 bracket complete minus 24. Again here the common terms are y square plus 5y, and hence here we will replace here y square plus 5y by n. See this here. In first bracket n, that is y square plus 5y is replaced by n. Here again y square plus 5y is replaced by n minus 2 minus 24. Again their product n into n square, n into minus 2 minus 2n minus 24. Now again the product of first term and the last term is minus 24n square. The middle term is a minus 2n. Now find the two numbers such that their sum is a minus 2n and the product is a minus 24n square. The required numbers are minus 6n and plus 4n. Okay, now replace here minus 2n by minus 6n plus 4n. Take the common from these first two. N is common, in bracket n minus 6. From these two, take 4 as a common, in bracket n minus 6. Okay. Next, take n minus 6 as a common. Then the remaining terms, that is n plus 4 in the next bracket. Okay. Now next, replace this n by y square plus 5y, n by y square plus 5y. Okay. Now next, can we factorize this again? Y square plus 5y minus 6. Yes. The product of first term and the last term is a, that is y square, minus 6 is a minus 6y square. Middle term is a plus 5y. Therefore, there are the two numbers, that is plus 6y minus y. Their sum is a plus 5y. Product is a minus 6y square. And hence here we replace here plus 5y by 6y minus y. What about the next bracket? Again the product of y square and the 4 is a 4y square. Middle term is a 5y. Here is a 5y. Again there are the two numbers, that is a 4y and plus y. Their sum is a 5y. Product is a 4y square. Therefore here we will replace here 5y by 4y plus y. Okay. Now 5y is replaced by 6y minus y, and this 5y is replaced by 4y plus y. Again the common from these two terms, y is a common. In bracket you will get here y plus 6. From the next two, take minus 1 common, then in bracket you will get here y plus 6. From these two terms you take y as a common, then in bracket you will get here y plus 4, and from these two take 1 as common, in bracket you will get here y plus 4. Again y plus 6 as a common, and in the next bracket you will get here y minus 1. Again from this square bracket take y plus 4 as a common, in bracket you will get here y plus 1, and hence these are the factors of the required polynomial. Now next, in first bracket x minus 3 into x minus 4 bracket square into x minus 5 minus 6. Now again here we will select the two brackets such that after their product we will get the common terms. Here x minus 3 into x minus 5, this is the first group of these two brackets, and in the next group we'll take here x minus 4 into x minus 4 means x minus 4 bracket square, and the last term constant is minus 6. Now the product of x minus 3 into x minus 5, you will get here x into x minus 5 minus 3 into x minus 5. Next x minus 4 bracket square, x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 6. Again next the next simplification, x into x, you will get here x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15, and in the next bracket x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 6. X square minus 8x plus 15 in the first bracket, in the second bracket x square minus 8x plus 16 bracket complete minus 6. Next again replace here x square minus 8x by m, because x square minus 8x is a common term in these two bracket. Therefore here we replace here x square minus 8x by m. Therefore in first bracket m plus 15 into second bracket m plus 16 minus 8. Again their product, that is m in bracket m plus 16 plus 15 in bracket m plus 16 minus 6, and their product m square plus 16m plus 15m plus 15 into 16, then you will get here 224 minus 6. Again next their simplification, m square 16m plus 15m, you will get here 31m plus 234. Okay, and again here the factors, the product of first term and the last term is a 234m square, the middle term is a 31m. Now the two numbers, that is the 18m plus 13m, their sum is a 31m. Their product is a 234m square. Therefore here the factors, m square plus 31m is replaced by 18m plus 13m, okay, plus 234. Again take common m as a common, then in bracket you will get here m plus 18, 13 as common, in bracket m plus 18, m plus 18 as common, then in next bracket m plus 13. Okay, replace this m by x square minus 8x plus 18, again m by x square minus 8x plus 13, and hence these are the factors of the given polynomial x minus 3 into x minus 4 bracket square into x minus 5 minus 6. Okay, these are the required factors. Next, we cannot factorize this to polynomials, therefore keep it as it is. And in this way we have completed this practice set. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.